How to fix TikTok not opening problem. If your TikTok is not opening, then in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is update the TikTok app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search TikTok. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update it to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch open your settings, scroll all the way down and find the option of software update. If you have any software update, then make sure that you update that. Outdated softwares can cause compatibility issues with TikTok. Next thing you want to do is clear cache of TikTok. For that, head over to your settings, then tap on apps. Now from this list of applications, you want to scroll down and find TikTok. Once you have found it, select that. Now find the option of storage, then tap on clear cache. You also want to make sure that your internet connection is strong. If it is not, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure you have a stable connection. If none of these steps work, you can simply reinstall the TikTok app. For that, go ahead and tap on the uninstall option. After you have uninstalled it, open Play Store and then install it again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.